Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you a workflow that will save you hours by turning one long recording into a whole week's worth of ready-to-post clips. If you've ever manually sliced up a long interview into 20 short reels, you already know it's a truly soul-draining process. This tool solves that by finding the best moments, auto-cutting them into viral-ready clips, and even helping you schedule them out. I'll walk you through the entire thing from initial upload straight through to scheduling the final posts. The ultimate goal here is turning repetitive, tedious work into something that takes maybe an hour tops rather than a full day of editing. First things first, you start a project by uploading your source material. You can drag in a single long video like a podcast or drop in a whole batch of raw footage all at once. Once uploaded, the platform's AI gets to work analyzing the content to find key sections. It looks for high energy moments, strong hook lines, laughter, and sections with clear, standalone value. That's the real magic. You don't have to manually sit there marking timestamps for every segment. Now, the interface is very friendly, showing a list of all the detected moments like suggested highlights. Each suggestion shows you a little thumbnail, the start and end time, and a confidence score for its performance potential. You can preview absolutely any suggested clip with just a single click to check it out. If you want variations, you can select multiple suggestions from the same video and export them all as separate short-form posts. If you're used to template tools for graphics, you'll notice the difference because this is built specifically for video repurposing. It is expertly tailored to find those key emotional or informational beats automatically, unlike tools that need manual trimming. Once you upload your long talk, just hit the auto clip button and pick a desired runtime like 15 or 60 seconds. You can also pick platform presets like vertical for TikTok/Reels or square-ish crops for other feeds. The AI will then automatically recrop and reframe the best portion of the shot so the subject stays perfectly centered. This clever reframing alone saves you an enormous amount of time compared to manually doing every single crop. After the clips are generated, you move into a quick review and editing time in a single panel. Here, you can trim the handles, easily add subtitles, choose your caption style, and select the final thumbnail frame. The automatic captioning is surprisingly accurate, allowing you to correct any small errors in line without opening a new editor. For branding consistency across a batch, Vizard lets you choose from auto-generated thumbnails or upload your own custom design. One of my favorite features is the ability to perform powerful batch actions on selected clips. You can select 10 clips and change the caption style, add the same hashtag set, or apply a consistent intro or outro all at once. Want to add a pinned comment with a link to your full episode? Do it once and it applies across the selected posts. This ability to avoid repeating the same small tasks over and over is where the true time savings kick in. Now let's talk scheduling, which is where this tool truly separates itself from basic editors that just stop at rendering. After finalizing your clips, go to the Content Calendar tab to start organizing your posts. From there, you can drag clips onto calendar slots, set your posting frequency, and let the auto-scheduler do its job. Pick your posting cadence, daily or 3 times a week, and the tool will populate the calendar with the clips in your chosen order. It even optimizes the timing based on engagement data if you connect your social accounts to the platform. Connecting your socials is simple. Link your Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube, and the tool handles the final upload formats. If you need different captions or link placements for different platforms, you can create platform-specific variants easily. Let me give you a quick example. Picture uploading one 60-minute live stream and auto-clipping 25 high-quality moments. You preview the best 6, add your subs, swap in 2 new thumbnails, and batch add the same hashtag group to all of them. Then you go to the calendar, set a 3 post per week cadence, hit auto schedule, and Vizard intelligently spaces them out. That entire flow, upload, auto clip, minor tweaks, and schedule, can take less than an hour, saving you half a day of manual export and uploading. For fine-tuning, Vizard makes it easy to adjust the generated clips with simple drag and drop edits if the AI needs a slight tweak. You can also easily add a short branded outro or watermark across the entire batch in a single operation. Little edits like caption font size can make a big difference in performance, so don't skip that cleaning phase even if the AI did the heavy lifting. Compared to tools like Canva, this workflow is built specifically for video repurposing, not just static design variants. Other video editors might demand a steep learning curve or simply lack integrated scheduling and cross-platform publishing. This system avoids those pitfalls by pairing automated editing with a built-in end-to-end publishing workflow. The final result is significantly less mental overhead and a much more consistent publishing schedule for your content. A pro tip, record with clear audio and include a few visual cue moments because the AI loves clear indicators of importance. Also, think about variety in your content mix. Mix educational bites, surprising facts, and emotive moments daily. For your thumbnails, keeping a consistent color scheme or font family across clips dramatically helps with brand recognition. Finally, use the analytics dashboard to see which types of moments truly drive engagement so you can iterate smarter next time. To wrap this up, using separate tools for clipping, editing, and scheduling is inefficient for high-volume content creators. This system combines smart clipping, batch editing, and auto-scheduling in one flow to get you from raw footage to scheduled posts quickly. Once you try a streamlined workflow like this, you will wonder how you ever handled batch content creation manually. If you liked this walkthrough and want me to make a follow-up showing the exact button clicks in a real-time demo, drop a comment below. I'll also put together a downloadable checklist showing the exact steps and settings I use for consistent batch posting. Thanks for watching or reading, and I'll catch you in the next one.